by the title, obviously, we're doing a review on the DJI Avata. This is the one. I had it for a minute, but I haven't really got to flying it. So we're really about to test it out, and I'm about to give y'all a cool and an honest review about it. I've been seeing a lot of people trying to get into like drone flying and whatnot. So as y'all can see, this is the case I carry it in. Honestly, bro, keeping the case makes it like 10 times better. Just like, look how simple. Boom. Y'all can see this is the 2 batteries. This is the remote control, like the FPV remote control, a regular controller. And then you gotta have the goggles so you can have the FPV. That's the whole purpose of it. As y'all can see, like when I'm flying, I'm about to be looking in this camera. Like this is a camera right here. So the goggles, when I put the goggles on, I'm about to be looking through this camera. So you know what I'm saying? It's really like a video game when you think about it. I think I forgot a piece of something. This goes here. So we plug this right here. And then get this in the phone. Honestly, like off rip, if I had to say something to DJI, I would say try to make it a little bit more wireless. Due to the fact like you have all these cords. It's really 2 cords, but it's just like, we're in 2020, what is it, 2026? I feel like we really should be having wireless stuff. I'm gonna fly with this today. Hopefully it's not dead. Here we go. That's on, this on, and then power this up. It's cold, gang. It is really, really cold. I'm about to put y'all on the goggles. So if y'all watching right now, I'm about to put y'all on my goggles. Here we go. I'm about to take off. Is it 2 locks? There we go. You see here? Yeah, I think you gotta swipe down so you can start recording. There we go. All right, now we're recording, y'all. I'm about to putting y'all in my goggles right now. Wow. As y'all can see, this is the first review. Sensitivity is crazy. I'm right here. As y'all can see, it gives me a spot where you could locate yourself, so that's cool. I'm right there. And I'm on a controller, as y'all can see, so I'm gonna go all the way up, get a POV of how high we can see in the sky. This is smooth though. As y'all can see over here, this is the rock, bro. This is where the Spurs, San Antonio Spurs be training at. So this is a cool glimpse over there, 6 Flags. Honestly, let's go over there. Let's see what the vibes are. I think it's sort of windy though, like, or I'm just tilting the controller a little bit too much. There we go, y'all. As y'all can see, they got the football game on right now. It look like they're building something. Got the 6 Flags over there. Probably could go Pete Wimby in there for real if y'all want to go. Now I'm about to shoot all the way back. It's really, really windy today too, y'all. It's super windy. Like it's not even, I'm not even lying to y'all how windy it is. It gives me a home. I guess the H is home. That's where I'm located at, which is dope. It's real simple to control. It really feels like a video game, like you really just flying a jet for real. It is a little noisy, but y'all can see I'm right here again. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep going this way. Honestly, I think it takes a lot of calibration to get used to this though. Y'all can see this is over here. The spin is good, like it turns, bro. So like if you wanna get into FPV and you like real nasty with the you know what I'm saying, like the controller, I think you can get really nasty. It's just really a matter of practicing. I'm gonna try to go through here. Hopefully I don't fuck. Ah! Take off upstairs. Get up there, get up there, get up there. Right here. Boom. Y'all see, bro. I'll go along the trail, see what we could, see how it really looks this way. Uh. We'll go down. Woo! Oh shit, that was a human being right there. And it's real easy, bro. It has the home location on there, so I know where I'm at. It's not that bad. It's really easy to control, honestly, but it's really, really windy, y'all. I'm trying to see how easy it is to control it through, like, if I want to go through something like this. I feel like I'm gonna crash it. Ooh. Okay. Woo. Yeah, it's over. I'm about to really get nasty with this, bro. Let me go under the car with it. Hold on. Uh. It seems like it's a lot easier to control it to the floor. I don't know. I guess it's less windy down here. Y'all see it, bro? This is full speed right here. Take off. Other than that, y'all, this is just a real cool glimpse of it. I'm definitely gonna take this out a lot more, bro. Let me take it off on. Oh, bet, bro. It's a lot of fun, bro. It's a lot of fun. Like, damn, I forgot I was even in the real world, bro. But controlling it is not easy at first. I'm not gonna lie. Like, you're gonna need a lot of practice. As y'all can see, this is the controller right here. It's slight, you know what I'm saying? It's just a little controller. You just boom, boom. And the goggles has great vision. Y'all gonna see I'm gonna upload the footage of the goggles. And that's that, bro. I'm gonna start doing like more FPV footages for y'all and see how cold I can get, bro. I've been seeing like crazy footages of people like going through highways, going through buildings and whatnot. So I'm about to push myself to the limit to see how cold we can get, bro. Also, we gotta hit the controller though. I didn't even do the controller, but I'm not gonna do the controller today. We're just gonna stick with the remote. I don't even know what would you call this? Cause it's not a remote controller. This is like a different remote. I don't know what y'all call this, but that was with this controller. The next time I fly it, I'll use the actual controller. If y'all do have a drone, let me know what y'all think, like, compared to the DJI. Like, do y'all have a DJI Avata, or what type of drone do y'all have? For me, honestly, like, I don't know about FPV drones like that, but I would say off rip, this one is really, really user-friendly, bro. It's like, it's simple to put together. It has the shields on it. Everything's straight, bro. It's smooth. It's a good battery. Nothing's dying. So I really have no complaints about it. It's real fun, I'm not gonna lie. So I would say it's windy though. That's one thing I noticed, like, it's very windy out here, so you gotta like control it a little bit differently. But to all my pilots that's out there, y'all probably know better than I do. When it's windy, you know you're gonna have to maneuver it a little bit differently. But like, it's once again, it's just like a video game, bro. Just like a video game. Yeah, man, without further ado, man, I'll catch you on the next video. I have another drone I'm gonna do a review on, so y'all stay tuned for that. The DJI Neo. I know a lot of y'all talking about that. It's a lot, way more affordable than anything. It has a bunch of cool features, so I'll tap into that. Y'all stay tuned on that video coming soon, man. Without further ado, I'll catch up with this. Used, just get it used, bro. It's not that big of a deal. If you're gonna find it for like $100, get it. But I don't know. I feel like a lot of people with drones are not really selling drones. But I'm gonna show y'all a lot of the. Yeah, I think it's dead. Hold on. No ways. Hold on. There we go. I'm gonna show y'all some of the features that it has on here. Really, really fire, bro. As y'all can see, y'all just download, all you gotta do is get the DJI app. It's gonna end up connecting to the phone in a second. As y'all can see. DJI Neo. It's connecting. As y'all can see, it has all these features on here. So it has like follow mode, drone mode, circle mode, rocket mode, spotlight. Then it has custom, and then of course you could take photos, videos. You could record with your phone, like the audio, so you could use your phone as an audio if you ever want to do like vlogging or whatnot. Sorry y'all, hopefully I can get through the video. My phone's about to, or the drone's about to die low key, so we'll see what we can get real quick. Y'all boys, if you got any questions about the DJI Avata or the DJI Neo, make sure y'all drop them in the comments. I'm testing, flying, and breaking everything down. So ask whatever you want to know. Settings, performance, all of it, bro. Just let me know any questions y'all got and I'm gonna answer.